We love interior design, crafting beautiful spaces that feel modern and contemporary. And this is how we make your dreams and ideas turn into your amazing design. The first step is that we sit down and we listen to you. We want to listen to what ideas you have and the space you want to create. Whether you have a firm grasp on what your vision is, or if you have a few loose ideas that need formulating. We want to hear what you have to say. We also want to get to know you, your lifestyle, your needs now and in the future. Are you a growing family? Or are you going to be retiring soon? Are you a socializer, or do you like quiet spaces? This is our chance to design based on your needs. The next step is that we gather all of the information from our consultations with you. We start designing your project, creating possible layouts with your ideas and needs at the forefront. We take measurements of your project and establish the existing conditions. Once your layout and initial design is completed, we send your drawings to your strata if applicable, and to City Hall for building permit processing if required. Step 3 involves the detailed designing of your project. This is where we go over all of the details. We work with you to create a style, selecting everything from the fixtures, countertops, lighting designs, blinds, paint, wallpaper, custom millwork, and everything in between. Our designers are experts at helping you select these items to help build a cohesive design that works with your vision, budget, and lifestyle. Once we've finalized the selections, we create a detailed, itemized budget of your project. The final step is to combine all of the previous elements in the design process and combine them into our computer-aided design program to create stunning, three-dimensional photorealistic modeling of your design. These 3D renders provide you with a visually accurate representation of your project so that you can feel the design, down to the finest of details, knowing exactly what your project will look like before we start. When you are happy with the final design and the building permit is in hand, we can start the construction phase of your project. To start the process of your stunning design and build, contact us in the link below for a complimentary, no obligation consultation with one of our designers today.